Surfn AI is a platform that allows you to create agents and AI agent pages for different kind of use cases. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, I'm going to create my first AI agent page. Let's call it, pick a handle your audience will recognize. Let's go with J Johnson. Cool. Click continue. Sweet. Okay, cool. So what we can do is we can add my website. I'm going to do that here, jjohnson.co.uk. We can actually get, looks like we can get the sitemap or the individual link as well. I'm going to go with cool website and click fetch links. You can also add some files. Let's take a look at this Q&A question. So you can actually optionally add Q&A pairs to train your AI agent with specific knowledge. You can add text content as well. And of course you can add YouTube content too. Cool. So yeah, let's see exactly what happened there. I think there was a message that came up, but I didn't see that. So I'm just going to try to put this in again and see what we get. UK. Okay. So, okay, cool. So it's saying, okay, it looks like plan reached. Okay, cool. So it's basically told me it's included all these links. I'm only allowed to have 10 on the free plan. So let me just go with, yeah, let's go with this 1, 2, 3. Let's go with, let's go. I think I'll delete a few of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just need to delete a couple more. 1 and 2. Okay, cool. So now we're fine because I've got under 10 links. Okay, great. Sweet. So now we've got this, we can essentially just create the page. So what I'll do is I'll just create the page from here and let's see exactly what we get. Okay, so it looks like it's still creating. I'll just jump back in once this is done. Okay, great. So now we've got this agent made. Let's take a look at it. Cool. Okay, so this agent has apparently been trained on everything, I guess, related to my website. We've got the instructions here. Cool. We've got the temperature as well, which is, yeah, the model's creativity level. Essentially, I kind of describe it as the AI going to the bar and having a couple of drinks. So the higher the temperature, the more creative the responses will be, but it does also increase the chances of hallucinations. Cool. Okay, so let's take a look at this. You can customize the agent, share it, or design it as well. What I'll do is I'll just leave it at that. Let me see to what extent it actually understands the information I gave it. So when it asks for your role, say you're an AI assistant for, let's say, J Johnson. Cool. I'll just fill these out. Specific brand terms, off mission requests. Okay, cool. Let's go with, oh, okay, interesting. So their scale of temperature is 0 to 2. Normally temperature is actually on a scale of 0 to 1. But yeah, that's interesting. I think I'll just leave it halfway at 1. Cool. What do you do? Let's say brand name, J Johnson. Let's go with creative AI consultant. Cool. Sweet. We've got initial engagement. So all these things we can customize. Cool. What I'll do is I'll just say, hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Cool. What we can see here is thinking. I wonder the extent to which, okay, cool. So I'm here to learn more about Jay Johnson and his work, whether you're interested in music, creative projects. Okay, cool. What does Jay do in the AI space? Let's go with that.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Any question? Creative AI consultant. Very true. Nice. Teaching and corporate training. Amazon, Meta, Siemens, Adobe, World Bank. Yes. That is all true. Teaches people how to incorporate AI platforms into their daily roles. Okay, great. Core focus is prompting, of course. However, with these models that keep coming out, and this is something that was mentioned by a colleague of mine who's also very much well versed. He said that the prompting isn't actually going to be as important as we release more models like GPT 5.1, for example. It has a really good sort of understanding of what the user wants, even if they have minimal prompting skills. Cool. So we've got here his ebook. He recently released his first AI ebook called Perfecting Prompts, available for £7, which teaches people how to use AI as easily as the internet. Very true. Cool. So yeah, this agent, still remembers the context from my website. I can even add more things in here. I can give it more specific instructions. I can even change the temperature as well, which isn't something I've seen on other platforms, I'll be honest. And of course, you've got all these other customizations like data sources, security. Very useful platform, I think. I'm going to publish these edits now. Cool. And now the agent has been published. Okay, great stuff. I can also design it and change the sort of background, all this kind of stuff. Light mode, dark mode. Very cool. So I really like this because there are a lot of customizable sort of aspects of this platform. A lot of platforms allow you to make AI agents, but not many allow you to customize this in terms of technically and creatively. As much as this platform. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.